Now this is quite an interesting question. What I've got here is a picture, and the question invites you to click on the part of the picture where you think the floppy drive is. Now I've made this question based on something called a hotspot. You sometimes see these on websites, particularly with a map where you move your mouse over and click on the part of the map and something happens. So let's run it and I'll show you how it works. Here is my picture, and if you see, I move my mouse over certain parts. What I've done is I've created transparent shapes over the different parts of the picture, and I've created triggers so that when I click on them, like here, it either shows you the correct answer or the wrong answer. Click on them, this one is wrong, and finally up to the floppy drive, click on it, this one is correct. So let me show you how to do it with a different example. I've got a picture here and I want people to click on the man. So the first thing I need to do is create what's called the hotspot by making a shape over the man. So I go to Insert and I go to Shapes. Now rather than drawing a rectangle, what I'm going to choose is this freeform tool here. Click on it, and what I can do is, if you watch me, I can draw a shape around the person by clicking each time, like this. Let's join them up at the end. There we go. There is the shape of my man. Now, it would look rather stupid if it was left blue. So what I need to do is make it transparent, and I right click on it and go to Format Shape, left click. And here's the clever bit. I drag the transparency all the way up to the top so it's 100% transparent. And then I select Line Color and No Line and click Close. Right, let me just do one more just so we can have the yes and the no bits. I'm going to go to Shape and Freeform, and I'm going to select this part here. Right, I can actually, look, just press down and drag over it like that, so if I wanted more of a rounded shape. There we go. Right click on the shape to make it fully transparent, drag that along to there, and then remove the line color like this. So I've now got two hotspots here and here. Right, I need to make my correct and my wrong answers. So let's just choose some word art. I'll write the word correct like that. I'm just going to copy and paste. Just to save some time, you can do it much better than me, and write wrong. So how is it going to work? Well, I want these answers to appear if I click on the part of the shape that's got the hotspot. So let's start with the wrong answer. I select the wrong answer like this, make sure I click on the whole shape by clicking on that green circle. I then go to Animation, and I want it to fade in. I then go to my animation pane, which is open, double click on it, click on Timing, click on Triggers, Start Effect on click off, and I want this one here, Freeform 8, because it's the wrong answer. That's the part of the paper. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to change the speed of this to make it medium so you get time to see the answer. Click OK. And then finally the correct answer. Click on the green thing so the whole shape is selected. Then go to Fade. There it is there. Double click on it. Go to Timings, Triggers, Start Effect on click off, and because I wrote it first, it's Freeform 7. Just increase the speed of that, decrease the speed of that to 2. Click OK. And let's try it out. Shift and 5. Let's just check my two hotspots. There's one there. There's one there. This one here is wrong. Goes on for 2 seconds. And this one here is correct. Now for some reason you can see these are not fading in and fading out. So let's go back and check what we've done wrong. Let's just double click on here, and on Effect, after animation, don't dim. Well, I want the animation to hide after animation. Click OK. Same with this one. Animation, hide after animation. Shift and F5. Let's try it now, just with the correct answer. In it comes, and off it goes. Wrong answer, in it comes, and off it goes. And there we go. There's how to make a quiz question using a hotspot.